Welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, December 13th మనకి హాఫ్ ఇయర్లీ ఎగ్జామ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఈ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో 1B పేపర్లో లిమిట్స్ అండ్ కంటిన్యూటీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు వీడియోస్ స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఫస్ట్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ వరకు తీసి క్వశ్చన్స్ నేర్చుకోండి. డెఫినెట్గా మీకు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఉపయోగపడతాయి. Okay now students, first limits and continuity. Now students, see this example. Compute means calculate. Limit extends to 0 e power x minus 1 by root of 1 plus x minus 1. Dear students, from this chapter, two very shorts and one short answer will come in public examination. See, when you have root, you have to rationalize it. Rationalize means change here sign and multiply numerator and denominator. That is called rationalizing. So limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1. Here you have minus, take plus and multiply numerator and denominator. 1 plus x plus 1 by root of 1 plus x minus 1 into root of 1 plus x plus 1, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 root of 1 plus x plus 1 by, dear students, denominator of the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So root of 1 plus x whole square minus 1 square. According to the formula, a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. By using this formula, you should write formula because there is off mark for formula, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 root of 1 plus x plus 1. Root square getting cancelled, 1 plus x minus 1, 1 getting cancelled, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x, 1 getting cancelled, root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now substitute, apply limit. It is in the standard form. Its answer is 1. Root of x tends to 0 is 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 plus 1. So answer is 2. So like this students, it is very important. In similar way, in place of 3, they may ask number 3 or 5 like that. In place of e, may ask 5, 3 like that. If you have 5, here becomes 5 power x. If you have 3, it becomes 3 power x. In that case, use formula limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x, which is equal to log a base c. So in that case, we use this formula. Okay students, next another important question, compute, that means calculate. Limit x tends to 1 by x minus 2 minus 4 by root over 4 by x square minus 4. Dear students, if you substitute limit directly, it becomes 1 by 0 undefined, 4 by 0 undefined. So in such cases, take LCM. Limit x tends to 0, x tends to 2, 1 by x minus 2. We have to write this is x minus 2 into x plus 2. It is x square minus 4. So factorize it. Now what is LCM here? What is LCM here? X minus 2 into x, 4 plus 2 is the LCM. When you divide with x minus 2, we have x plus 2, it is multiplied to 1. So x plus 2 minus 4, which is equal to limit x tends to 2, which is x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x plus 2. X minus 2 getting cancelled. So substitute limit, we get 1 by 2 plus 2, which is equal to 1 by 4. So very easy question, sir. చాలా ప్రాక్టీస్ జాగ్రత్తగా చేసుకొని ఫార్ములాస్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఈజీగా వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, కంప్యూట్ లిమిట్ x tends to 3 x square minus 8x plus 15 by x square minus 9. My dear students, if you substitute x tends to 3, it becomes 0 by 0 form. If you have 0 by 0 form, factorize numerator and denominator. So limit x tends to 3, its factors are x minus 3 into x minus 5, because 3 into 5 is 15, 3x minus 5x 8x, by x square minus 9, it is x minus 3 into x plus 3, a plus b into a minus b form. Now students, x minus 3 getting cancelled, so now limit x tends to 3, x minus 5 by x plus 3. So now substitute limit, we get 3 minus 5 by 3 plus 3. 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now answer is minus 1 by 3. So if you have like this, you factorize. Now come to this, here x tends to infinity students, x tends to infinity. When you substitute directly infinity by infinity, indeterminate form. Infinity by infinity is indeterminate form. In that case, if you given x tends to infinity, you take highest degree terms as a common in numerator and denominator. What is that? Highest degree terms. Take common. Here x square is the highest degree. Take that as a common. Limit x tends to infinity. When you take x square common, here 1 minus 1 by x square into sin x by x square 1 minus 2 by x square. Now student, x square getting cancelled. As x tends to infinity, dear students, sin x tends to either plus 1 or minus 1. It is a bounded value, either plus 1 or minus 1. 1 by x tends to 0. 1 by x tends to 0 as x tends to infinity. So as x tends to infinity, you take 1 by x tends to 0, 1 minus 1 by x whole square into sin x, 1 minus 2 into 1 by x whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 0 by, because as x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. 1 by 0 into anything is 0. 1 minus 2 into 0. So 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. So my dear students, if you have limit as a x tends to infinity, you take common like this and write down 1 by x as a 0. 1 by x tends to 0. Okay, it's very easy questions. Now see this question, limit x tends to a, x sin a minus a sin x by x minus a. Dear students, if you substitute limit x tends to a, we get 0 by 0 form. So to get 0 by 0 form, what fact is reason here? X minus a fact is reason to get 0 by 0 form. So try to evaluate x minus a. That is very important. So here x minus a is there. So limit x tends to a, x sin a, subtract a sin a and add a sin a. Adding and subtracting, minus a sin x by x minus a. Now students, limit x tends to a. In these two terms, take sin a common, x minus a into sin a. In these two terms, take minus a common, we get sin x minus sin a by x minus a. Now separate the fraction. Limit x tends to a, x minus a into sin a by x minus a. For the first term, first you write one limit minus. For the second term, you write separate limit. A is constant, take it outside. Limit extends to a sin x minus sin a by x minus a. My dear students, I separate two terms. It is one term, it is another term. For each term, you have to write the limit, separate limit. But then separate limit. Now here x minus a getting cancelled. Limit extends to a sin a into limit extends to a sin c minus sin d. Apply formula. 2 cos x plus a by 2 sin x minus a by 2 by x minus a. Sin a is a constant, no x. So limit value is sin a minus 2 is constant to 2a. When you substitute x tends to x in place of x a here, it never be 0. So write down the limit for that. Limit extends to a cos of x plus a by 2 limit. Students, here sin value is x minus a by 2. Sin of x minus a by 2 by x minus a by 2. By 2 is there. To cancel it, multiply it into 2. Now sin a minus 2a, apply limit cos of a plus a by 2 into. My dear students, here theta is x minus a by 2. Sin theta by theta is 1. So convert this limit is also sin theta by theta form. Bring a to this side and divide with 2. When you bring a to this side, x minus a tends to 0. Divide with 2. Now it is sin of x minus a by 2 by x minus a by 2 into 1 by 2. So now which is equal to sin a minus 2a. A plus a is 2a, 2 getting cancelled. Cos a. This is 1 because sin theta by theta as theta tends to 1 into 1 by 2. Now students, by 2 getting cancelled here. Sin a minus a cos a. So this is the answer. Okay, here important point is this, adding and subtracting. This step is very, very important. Next step, important step is this one. Here I used formula sin c minus sin d, which is equal to cos of c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. I used this formula, students. See these questions. Limit extends to 0. If you have e power x, it's side by minus 1. That is the standard form formula. So e power x minus 1 minus sin x. By whole by x is there. Separate it by x by x. Now separate limit also. E power x minus 1 by x minus limit extends to 0 sin x by x. It is standard form. This value is 1 minus limit extends to 0 sin theta by theta is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you always try to remember standard forms. It is standard form of this is a power x minus 1 by x. Limit extends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x. It is log a base e. So to convert this into the standard form, multiply and divide with x, or divide numerator denominator with x, b power x minus 1 by x. So here divide and numerator and denominator divide with x. Now write down the separate limit. limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x by limit x tends to 0 b power x minus 1 by x. Numerator value is log a base c. Denominator value is log b base c. My dear students, if you have like this, we can write it as log a base c base b. To convert these two logarithms into one logarithm like this. So log a base b. This is the answer. Now, already I told you, if you have x tends to infinity, take highest degree terms as a common. Limit x tends to infinity, take x square common in numerator, it becomes 3 plus 4 by x plus 5 by x square. In denominator also take x square common, 2 plus 3 by x minus 7 by x square. X square getting cancelled. Limit x tends to infinity. Dear students, already I told you, as x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. 3 plus 4 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by x whole square by 2 plus 3 into 1 by x minus 7 into 1 by x whole square. Now substitute limit. 3 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 0 by 2 plus 3 into 0 minus 7 into 0 square. It is 3 plus 0 by 2 plus 0, which is equal to 3 by 2. Chala easy ga vastayi. Now here x tends to 0 plus. X tends to 0 plus means x is slightly greater than 0. When x is slightly greater than 0, mod x value becomes x. This is very important. Which is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 2 into mod x equal to x by x plus 1. Now students, here x getting cancelled. Limit x tends to 0 plus 2 plus x plus 1. Now apply limit. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus x tends to 0, 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay na students? Now see here, limit x tends to 0 e power 3x minus 1 by x. My dear students, our standard formula is limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Here power is x, it should be in denominator, that goes to the 0. That is important condition. Here denominator is 3x. So multiply with 3 on both sides. 3x tends to 0. E power 3x minus 1 by, here 3x into 3. Multiply and divide for this standard form. Now according to this formula, you should be write the formula students. Answer is 1. This is 1 into 3, that equal to 3. Okay. My dear students, if you have in terms of trigonometric functions in limits, you should convert that function in terms of sin theta by theta or cos tan theta by theta only. This is very important. Here we have 1 minus cos 2mx. We know formula 1 minus cos 2 theta. It is 2 sin square theta. So by using that formula, it becomes limit x tends to 0 to sin square mx by sin square nx. In limits, trigonometry formula is limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. You convert this into that form. So take 2 outside. For these two squares, write down 1 square. Limit x tends to 0, sin mx by sin nx whole square. Dear students, sin theta by theta, 2 into, bring this limit to inside, limit x tends to 0, sin mx by sin nx whole square. So write down in terms of sin theta by theta form. For that, 2 into limit mx tends to 0 sin mx by mx into mx, like this. Here limit nx tends to 0 sin nx by nx into nx whole square. My dear students, here theta is mx, students. Here theta is nx. Our formula is sin theta by theta. Here x getting cancelled. When you apply the limit, we get 2 into 1 into m by 1 into n whole square. It becomes 2 into m by n whole square. This is the answer. Okay, now students. Now, see this one. Here we have tan theta formula. Limit theta tends to 0. Tan theta by theta equal to 1 in terms of theta. Here theta is x minus a. Limit x tends to a. Tan of x minus a. Here x square minus a square. Write down x minus a into 1 by x plus a. See, here theta is x minus a. Bring this a to this side. Limit x minus a tends to 0. Tan of x minus a by x minus a into limit x tends to a 1 by x plus a. Students, it is tan theta by theta form 1. X tends to a 1 by a plus a, which is equal to 1 by 2a. Okay. Now, see this question. It is one of the important. In trigonometry functions, you always try to convert sin theta by theta form or tan theta by theta form according to the given function. Here is 1 minus cos x. Try to convert into the sines. So, limit x tends to 0, x into x square e power x minus 1 by x. For this formula divide చేశాను, multiply చేశాను by 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos theta formula. Students, you always try to convert into the sin theta by theta or theta by sin theta. Our formula limit theta tends to 0, theta by sin theta is also 1. 1 by 2, take it outside. Limit x tends to 0. X square sin square. You write x by sin x by 2 whole square. Limit x tends to 0. E power x minus 1 by x. X by 2. Theta is here x by 2. 1 by 2. Bring this limit to inside. Divide with 2 on both sides. Limit x tends to 0. X by 2 into 2 by sin of x by 2 whole square. Its standard formula is 1. My dear students, here is theta by sin theta is 1. 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 whole square into 1. It is 2 square 4. 2 getting cancelled. Answer is 2. So, dear students, these are very important problems in limits. Now we discuss continuity questions. Students, continuity. When the function is continued, limit value and function value equal, then we say that function is continuous at x equal to a. Limit x tends to a, f of x equal to f of a. Then function is continuous at x equal to a. Otherwise it is discontinuous. My dear friends, if function is defined more than one times at a point, that means for x less than a, x greater than a, for x equal to a. If function is defined in different ways, for particular point x less than a, x greater than a, different values, function is defined. We find left hand limit, right hand limit and function value. When these three are equal, function is continuous, otherwise it is not discontinuous function. See this question, show that f of x equal to cos ax minus cos bx by x square. If x not equal to 0, x not equal to 0 means for x less than 0, take this function. For x greater than 0, take this function. In that case, no need to find left hand limit, right hand limit. You find limit value. Is continuous at x equal to 0. So first you find limit value. That is limit x tends to a f of x, which is equal to limit x tends to 0. He want continuous at x equal to 0. As x tends to 0, function is cos ax minus cos bx by x square. My dear students, we have formula cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin ax plus bx by 2 sin ax minus bx by 2 by x square. That is the formula, sin c cos c minus cos d. I told you always convert sin theta by theta form in limits. Minus 2 is constant, take it outside. Limit x tends to 0. Here is sin of, take x common, a plus b by 2 into x, that is the first term. X square is there, take 1x here. Sin of, take x common, a minus b by 2 into x. Write down another x here. X into x, x square. You always try to convert limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. Minus 2. Here theta is a plus b by 2 into x. Multiply and divide. At the same time, you write separate limit. Limit a plus b by 2 into x tends to 0. Sin a plus b by 2 into x by a plus b by 2 into x into multiply and divide a plus b by 2. Similarly, for this also, limit a minus b by 2 into x tends to 0. Sin of a minus b by 2 into x by a minus b by 2 into x. So a minus b into a minus b by 2. So minus 2, a plus b by 2 constant, take it outside. Now it is formed sin theta by theta, theta tends to 0, 1. A minus b by 2 constant, take it outside. Now it is sin theta by theta, 1. Here 2 getting cancelled. Minus a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square by 2, which is equal to minus b square by a square, students. Limit value is b square minus a square by 2. Here given, students, at x equal to 0 function value, therefore f of 0 equal to b square minus a square by 2. Therefore this value and this value same. Therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0. Therefore f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay na students, it is very very important question. జాగ్రత్తగా ఇక్కడ కొంచెం చూసుకోండి, జాగ్రత్తగా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకుండా. sin theta by theta ఫామ్ రాయడానికి ఈ వాల్యూతో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం, డివైడ్ చేసాం, మల్టిప్లై డివైడ్, అది కాన్సెప్ట్. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ మైండ్లో ఉంటుకుంటే ఈజీ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ ఎఫ్ గివెన్ బై ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు k square x minus k by 2, k if x greater than or equal to 1, 2 if x less than 1, is continuous on R, then find k. Dear students, this function is continuous on R. Here function break up at 1. breakup in one దగ్గర 1 is in R, that means function is continuous at x equal to 1. So from data, f of x is continuous on R, implies f of x is continuous at x equal to 1. At 1 function is breakup. Here x greater than 1, x less than 1 are two different functions. Function is continuous, then left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 1. Left hand limit means limit extends to 1 minus f of x. Right hand means limit extends to 1 plus f of x equal to f of 1. Extends to 1 minus means x value less than 1 slightly. X value less than 1 case answer is 2. So 2 this value. Limit extends to 1 minus function value is 2. When the limit extends to 1 plus, f of x value is k square x minus k. When x equal to 1, function is also same. So no need to write this one. You take these two only. Because x greater than 1, x equal to 1, same function. That means this and this are equal. It is a constant, limit is 2. Substitute extends to 1 here. K square into 1 minus k, which is equal to k square. Bring to this side. Minus k minus 2 equal to 0. Now factorize it. So k plus 1 into k minus 2 equal to 0. Factors. Product is 0. Either k plus 1 equal to 0 or k minus 2 equal to 0. Implies k equal to minus 1 or k equal to 2. So ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనకి చాలా తక్కువగా కంటిన్యూటీలో జస్ట్ లిమిట్ కనుక్కోవడమే. ఆల్రెడీ లిమిట్స్ ప్రాసెస్ మనం ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పుకున్నాం. So easy anamata. My dear students, it is another important question. Check the continuity of the function at 2. Here at 2, function defined in 3 ways. X less than 2 function you consider this. For x greater than 2 function is this. At x equal to function is this. So in such case, to discuss the continuity, you find left hand limit, right hand limit and function value. So left hand limit means limit extends to 2 minus f of x, which is equal to limit extends to 2 minus f of x. 2 minus means x value is slightly less than 2. X value slightly less than 2 case is 1 by 2 x square minus 4. Substitute 2. 1 by 2, 2 square minus 4. 2 square 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, right hand limit. Limit extends to 2 plus f of x equal to limit extends to 2 plus f of x. X is slightly greater than 2. In this case, 2 minus 8 x power minus 3. Dear students, it is limit extends to 2 plus 2 minus 8 by x cube x power minus 3. Substitute limit 2 minus 8 by 2 cube, 2 minus 8 by 8. It is 2 minus 1 that equal to 1. Here left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Understand students? If have x power minus 2, it becomes 0. So what is f of 2 value? 0. Here what happened here is f of 2 equal to left hand limit. That means right hand limit not equal to left hand limit equal to f of 0. We say that f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 0. But this value equal to left hand limit, f of x is left hand continuous. It is important. At x equal to 0. Sorry, at x equal to 2. Sorry. At x equal to 2. F of 2 equal to 0 is there. continue at x equal to 2. Okay, make this correction. My dear students, it is another important question. So limits and continuity total chapter very important. మీకు ఇచ్చాను, జాగ్రత్త ప్రిపరేషన్ చేసుకోండి. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, జై హింద్.